Eliminate intrusive Twilio error banners and achieve a polished, branded user experience with this quick CSS guide. Ever found that default Twilio error banner disrupting your carefully crafted web design? Today, we're going to show you how to make it disappear using custom CSS. First, you'll need to identify the specific HTML element that Twilio uses for its error banner. The easiest way to do this is by using your browser's developer tools. Simply inspect the element where the banner typically appears. This will reveal the underlying HTML code. Once you've located the banner's HTML, you'll need to determine its unique identifier, often a class name or an ID. Then, within your project's style sheet, you'll write a simple CSS rule. We'll be targeting that specific element and applying a style that completely hides it from view. The key is to use the display none property. This tells the browser to not render the element at all, effectively making it invisible to your users. You'll need to replace the placeholder selector in the CSS snippet with the actual identifier you found in your developer tools. Apply this custom CSS to your project, and you'll instantly see the difference. Your web application will maintain its clean aesthetic, allowing your users to focus on your content without any unwelcome visual interruptions from Twilio's default error messaging. By taking a few moments to implement this custom CSS, you ensure a seamless and professional user experience, keeping your brand's visual identity front and center.